Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can get free 4G internet data on Zong in 0 rupees. This is a new offer and gives you 1 GB free internet with a validity of 1 month. 1 GB isn't too much, but still, it's worth it when you don't have any data resources. So let's start the video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will continue to provide you with free tips and tricks in the future. First of all, open your dialer and dial the code *6565#. A new menu will appear. Here at number 5, you can see the free 1 GB at 0 rupees. Now enter 5 and click send button. Next, you can see the subscribe option. Enter 1 and click send to proceed. Now, a new menu shows that you have successfully submitted the command. Now, wait for the confirmation SMS. Now, since I have already subscribed to this offer, the message says that you already have this promotion. You'll receive an SMS that will show that you have successfully subscribed to the free 1 GB offer.
Now, let me open the My Zong application and show you the offer subscription there. See, here, you can see the free 1 GB offer subscribed. This is it, named the low-value menu data Freeres.
Now, listen, an important thing. This offer is not currently available to every Zong customer. A few customers will not be able to subscribe to this offer. Let me show you how. When they dial the code *6565#, they will get the response that, "Dear customer, please dial *6464# for offer details." Unfortunately, those who get this response cannot subscribe to this offer, while others can get free data and enjoy. At the end, once again I request you to please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.